Greetings and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the inspiring realm of the spirit animals oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the zebra spirit animal, renowned for balance, individuality, and beauty. Part 1. Discovering the zebra spirit. In the vast plains of Africa, the zebra emerges as a symbol of profound significance, embodying essential qualities of balance, individuality, and the unity of opposites. With its striking black and white stripes, the zebra becomes a bearer of spiritual medicine, guiding us on a transformative journey of embracing our uniqueness, finding harmony amidst diversity, and recognizing the beauty in both the light and shadow aspects of life. At the heart of the zebra's symbolism lies the essence of balance. With its contrasting stripes, the zebra embodies the perfect equilibrium between light and darkness. The spiritual medicine of the zebra encourages us to seek harmony in our lives, to find the middle ground between polarities, and to embrace the dance of opposites that exists within and around us. By embracing the zebra's essence of balance, we can attain a sense of inner equilibrium, navigate through life's challenges with grace, and cultivate a state of wholeness that leads to profound inner peace. The zebra also embodies the unity of opposites. Its contrasting black and white stripes stand as a symbol of the inseparable dance between light and shadow, good and bad, joy and sorrow. The spiritual medicine of the zebra encourages us to embrace both the positive and challenging aspects of life, to recognize that they are interconnected and essential for our growth. By embracing the unity of opposites, we can develop a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us, fostering empathy and compassion for all aspects of existence. In addition to balance, individuality, and the unity of opposites, the zebra's medicine is rooted in finding beauty amidst diversity. As zebras roam in herds, their unique stripes blend together, creating a mesmerizing sight that celebrates the beauty of diversity. The spiritual energy of the zebra reminds us to value the differences in others, to celebrate the rich tapestry of cultures, and to recognize the interconnectedness of all beings. By finding beauty in diversity, we can create a world that embraces inclusivity, unity, and mutual respect. It's important to note that interpretations of animal spirits can vary across different cultures and belief systems. These characteristics provide a general understanding of the symbolic qualities associated with the zebra as an animal spirit. Part 2. Qualities of the zebra spirit. The zebra possesses a striking array of qualities that make it one of nature's most captivating and unique creatures. Its most distinctive feature is undoubtedly its black and white striped coat, creating a striking visual contrast that sets it apart from other animals. This striking appearance serves as a natural form of camouflage in its grassland habitats, as the stripes help to confuse predators and make it harder for them to single out an individual zebra in a group. The zebra's keen sense of hearing and vision also contribute to its survival in the wild, enabling it to detect predators from a distance and respond swiftly to potential threats. Additionally, zebras are social animals, often found in family groups known as herds, where they establish strong bonds and look out for each other's safety. Their communication within the herd involves various vocalizations and body language, enhancing their collective ability to thrive in the African savannas they call home. The zebra's resilience, adaptability, and distinctive appearance continue to inspire awe and wonder, making it an iconic symbol of the beauty and diversity found in the animal kingdom. People often seek to identify their spirit animal, believing that it represents or embodies certain qualities or characteristics that resonate with them. Reading this section will allow you to identify if this animal spirit could be the one that guides you throughout your life. Part 3. Cultural and mythological significance of the zebra spirit. The zebra holds cultural and mythological significance in various societies, particularly in Africa, where it is native. In many African cultures, the zebra is revered for its symbolic representation of balance, harmony, and unity. The black and white stripes are often seen as a reflection of the dualities and interconnectedness of life, such as light and darkness, yin and yang, and good and evil. In some African folklore, the zebra's stripes are believed to have been gifted to it by the spirits, representing a harmonious blending of different forces in the universe. The zebra's distinctive appearance has also made it a symbol of individuality and uniqueness. In some African tribes, zebra motifs are used in ceremonial clothing and body paint to celebrate individual achievements and rites of passage. Moreover, the zebra's social behavior, where they live in close-knit family herds, has inspired notions of community, cooperation, and support in African cultures. In ancient Egyptian mythology, the zebra was associated with the sun god, Ra, and depicted in artwork as a symbol of power and divine protection. The Greeks and Romans, influenced by their encounters with African cultures, adopted the zebra as a symbol of exoticism and the mysteries of faraway lands. In modern times, the zebra's image is often used as a symbol of wildlife conservation and the need to protect endangered species. It serves as a reminder of the rich biodiversity found in African ecosystems and the importance of preserving their natural habitats. Overall, the cultural and mythological significance of the zebra reflects the deep connection between humans and the natural world, with the zebra's beauty, grace, and symbolism continuing to inspire admiration and respect across cultures. Part 4. A Zebra in My Dreams. Dreams featuring a zebra can carry various symbolic meanings, often reflecting aspects of the dreamer's life, emotions, and subconscious thoughts. The zebra's black and white stripes represent the delicate balance between opposing forces, such as light and dark, good and bad, or positive and negative aspects of the dreamer's personality or situation. Just like the zebra's coat is a harmonious fusion of contrasting colors, the dream may be urging the dreamer to find equilibrium and embrace the diversity within themselves and their surroundings. Seeing a zebra in a dream may symbolize the need for balance and harmony in life. The dreamer may be going through a phase of uncertainty or experiencing conflicting emotions, and the zebra's appearance serves as a reminder to seek balance and find a middle ground in their decisions and actions. It may indicate the importance of finding stability amidst chaos or making peace with opposing aspects of their personality. The zebra's association with resilience and adaptability may offer encouragement to the dreamer during challenging times. Just as zebras thrive in the ever-changing landscapes of the African savannas, the dreamer is reminded of their capacity to handle obstacles and transform difficulties into opportunities for growth and learning. The zebra's ability to survive in harsh environments may inspire the dreamer to persevere and remain steadfast in the face of adversity. Alternatively, encountering a zebra in a dream could suggest the need for clearer perception and understanding. The zebra's stripes, while mesmerizing, can also evoke illusions or confusion. This may indicate that the dreamer is facing a situation that requires them to see through appearances and gain deeper insights. It encourages the dreamer to embrace their intuition and look beyond the surface to uncover the truth or hidden meanings in their waking life. The context of the dream and the dreamer's personal feelings and experiences play a significant role in determining the precise meaning of a zebra appearing in a dream. Reflecting upon the emotions and circumstances surrounding the dream can provide valuable insights into its significance and how it may relate to the dreamer's waking life. Ultimately, the zebra's presence in a dream serves as a powerful symbol, inviting the dreamer to explore aspects of themselves and their lives that require attention, balance, and self-discovery. Part 5. Habitat, Behaviors, and Ecological Importance of the Zebra. Habitat. The zebra is primarily found in the grasslands, savannas, and open woodlands of Africa. These vast open landscapes provide the ideal habitat for zebras to thrive. They are well adapted to these environments, where they have access to a variety of grasses and vegetation for grazing. The grasslands offer abundant food sources and ample space for their herds to roam freely. Additionally, the open terrain allows zebras to spot predators from a distance, providing them with opportunities to flee and evade danger. The availability of water is also crucial for zebras, and they are often found near watering holes or along the banks of rivers, where they can quench their thirst and maintain their well-hydrated state. The grassland's diversity and the zebra's ability to withstand changing weather patterns and environmental conditions make it a well-adapted and resilient inhabitant of these African ecosystems. Behaviors. Group living. Zebras are highly social animals and exhibit a strong tendency to live in family groups or herds. These herds consist of several females, their offspring, and a dominant male, known as a stallion. Group living provides them with safety in numbers, as they can collectively detect and defend against potential predators. Vigilance. Zebras are known for their constant vigilance and alertness to potential threats. While grazing, they keep their heads up, scanning their surroundings for any signs of danger. This behavior helps them stay aware of predators and enables quick responses to flee from potential threats. Vocal communication. Zebras use vocalizations as a means of communication within their herds. They emit various sounds, including snorts, whinnies, and brays, to convey different messages to one another. Vocal communication helps maintain group cohesion and is particularly important during moments of distress or when locating each other in open grasslands. Striped camouflage. Zebras exhibit a behavior known as confusion camouflage. When a group of zebras is together, their black and white stripes create an optical illusion that confuses predators. This makes it challenging for predators like lions or hyenas to single out a specific zebra from the herd, increasing the chances of the group's survival. Dust bathing. Zebras engage in dust bathing as a means of grooming and maintaining their hygiene. They roll around in dry, dusty soil, coating themselves in the fine particles. This behavior helps remove excess oils and parasites from their skin and fur, keeping them clean and reducing the risk of skin infections. Dust bathing also aids in regulating their body temperature by providing a cooling effect during hot weather. Ecological importance. The zebra holds significant ecological importance as a key player in the African savannas and grasslands where it resides. As a primary herbivore, zebras play a crucial role in shaping and maintaining the ecosystem. Through grazing, they control the growth of vegetation, preventing certain plant species from dominating the landscape and encouraging the growth of a diverse range of plant life. This, in turn, benefits other herbivores and species that rely on a variety of vegetation for sustenance. Zebras' grazing patterns also influence soil health and nutrient cycling, as their dung provides essential nutrients to the soil, promoting its fertility. Additionally, the zebra's behavior of migrating in search of water and food contributes to the dispersal of seeds and helps support plant regeneration and biodiversity in different regions. Part 7. Guided Visualization to connect with the zebra spirit. Find a comfortable and quiet space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to relax and your mind to settle. Imagine yourself standing in the vast and open grasslands of Africa, surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the gentle breeze brushing against your face. As you take in the beauty of the savanna, notice a group of zebras grazing peacefully nearby. Approach the zebras with a sense of respect and admiration for their majestic presence. Observe their black and white stripes, and notice how they blend harmoniously into the landscape. Sense the quiet strength and grace they exude as they move with elegance and poise. As you draw closer to the zebras, feel a powerful connection with their spirit. Visualize yourself surrounded by an aura of black and white energy, symbolizing the balance and harmony of opposites within yourself and the world around you. Take a moment to tune into the wisdom of the zebra spirit. Listen to any messages or insights that may come to you intuitively. Embrace the zebra's resilience and adaptability, knowing that you too possess the inner strength to overcome challenges and navigate through life's uncertainties. Now imagine merging with the spirit of the zebra, feeling a deep connection with its essence. Embrace the qualities of balance, harmony, and intuition that the zebra embodies. As you immerse yourself in the zebra's energy, visualize yourself moving gracefully like a zebra, embracing the rhythm of life and the ebb and flow of change. Experience the freedom and joy that come from living in harmony with the natural world. As the visualization comes to a close, express your gratitude to the zebra spirit for its guidance and presence. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment, feeling the ground beneath you and the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Carry the wisdom and spirit of the zebra with you as you go about your day, knowing that you are forever connected to the balance and harmony that this magnificent creature represents. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.